I've always wondered what my dog's been up to, so I bought this pet camera as it looked very simple to use and it could be put on the dog collar. I went ahead and turned it on by clicking on the left hand side and holding down. The image quality looked really good. I was just testing it out here to make sure I like what I saw. It does come with a lot of accessories on ways it can hold it. That plus this part right here will allow you to clip it on to whatever surface that you want to. Don't know what that one's for quite yet. I will figure that one out. This right here can be used as a watch, or it can be used as the doggy collar. Okay, you have to put two of them together to fit it around their neck for safety reasons. I went ahead and put it on very easily, and as you see it, there you have it.
Honestly, can you read this? Do you have any idea what those pictures are showing? They're horrible. This. What the heck does that do? Don't have any idea. No mention. This is a POS, and no, I couldn't get my money back.
This is the best that I got so far. I had this is my third camera, and it's giving you a really nice video. It's not the best, but will make the work for sure.